swear yourself?
I've sworn.
You've sworn. Introduce yourself to the court.
Your Honor, I'm number 236492, Chief Inspector Peter Terer.
Who?
Chief Inspector Peter Terer. Currently, I'm stationed at Ngutani Police Station in Kitui County.
Ngutani Police Station in which county?
In Kitui.
In Kitui County.
But previously, I was the Deputy OCS Manyata in Embu.
When you say previously,
Yes.
which years are you referring to?
I was transferred from that place on 2022. So from 2017.
From
From
2017?
2017 up to 2022, early.
2017 to 2022, he was in?
Manyata.
Manyata Police Station in which
Police
county?
station.
In which county?
Embu County.
In Embu County.
Yeah.
Let us concentrate on that period that you're in Manyata Police Station.
I was the Deputy OCS.
Deputy OCS.
Deputy OCS, yes.
And what were your duties as the Deputy OCS Manyata Police Station?
It was to assist the OCS in the running of the station. Sometimes when he's not around, I could run the station.
And what do you remember about the 7th day of August 2021 regarding this matter before court today?
Your Honor, I remember on 2nd.
So 2nd?
Yeah, that was on 2nd.
Of August.
On 2nd of August 2021.
Yes.
At around 1:45 a.m. I received a call from the night duty officer. That is Corporal Boothia. Who informed me that he was at Mbufori area where two persons who had been arrested.
He was in what area?
In Mbufori. Yeah, at the scene of accident where two suspects who had been arrested had jumped out of the moving station vehicle as they were heading to Karau police post.
What time did you receive the call?
That was around 00:45 hours.
00:45 hours.
Yes.
Proceed.
I immediately instructed Corporal Boothia to remain and guard the scene as I informed the OCS. And immediately I called the OCS, who is Mr. Abdallah, who also informed the sub-county police commander and the DCI.
You informed the OCS,
OCS, and he went ahead to inform the sub-county.
OCS, the name of the OCS you...
Abdallah, Mr. Abdallah. Yeah.
And in turn, who else was informed?
Yeah, the sub-county police commander and the sub-county police criminal investigation officer. Then we all converged at the station and proceeded to the scene.
What time did you converge at the station?
It must be around one something.
When you converged at the station, who were you with? You said when we all converged at the station.
The sub-county police commander, who is Mrs. Emily, the DCIO, Mr. Mangwana, the OCS, Mr.
Kindly just go slowly so that I record. So you converged at the police station, who and who?
Mrs. Emily, who was the sub-county police commander. We also had Chief Inspector Mangwana, who was the sub-county criminal investigation officer. Then the OCS Abdallah. Plus me, and there was a driver who drove us to the scene.
And what time did you arrive at the scene?
I think it must have been one something.
One something.
Mm-hmm.
How far was the scene from the police station, from Manyata police station to the scene of, how far was it? What was the approximate distance?
It should be maybe around 15, but less than 20.
Around
Between
15 kilometers?
Yeah.
And it took you approximately how many minutes to drive from Manyata police station to the scene where Corporal Mbutia was?
I never
It takes
calculated the
approximately.
time. Okay, it
How
might
long?
take maybe, depending on how fast one is driving, it can even take maybe 10, 20 minutes.
10, 20 minutes. So what happened when you arrived at the scene?
When we arrived at the scene, we found the duty officer.
And
That
who
is-
were the duty officers?
It was Corporal Mbutia.
Corporal Mbutia.
Yes, yeah.
Who else did you find at the scene?
We found Corporal Consolata,
Just go slowly so that the court can record.
Corporal Mbutia and who?
Corporal Consolata, we had Police Constable Sang, Wanyama, Police Constable Pia. We had Cherono, Wanyama, and Manik. So we found them securing the scene.
Other than the officers you have mentioned, was there any other person at the scene?
No, there was none.
And when you say you found them securing the scene,
Yes.
what do you mean? Or what were they doing to secure the scene?
They were within that vicinity to ensure that the scene was not disturbed.
And when you arrived at the scene, what happened? What was the first thing that happened?
What happened? The duty officer had to take us through the scene itself.
And who was that?
That was Corporal Mbutia. And there we saw two bodies that lay on the left side of the road.
The duty officer was?
He
The
took
name-
us.
the name.
The name is Koprumbudia. So he took us to the scene where we found two lifeless bodies of male adults, and they are almost 30 meters apart.
How were you able to see the bodies or to see the scene, considering that it was at night?
We were using torches.
Proceed.
So after observing the scene, we inquired from the duty officer what could have transpired.
I want you to repeat again. You said that you saw two bodies.
Yes.
Kindly tell us, where were the bodies?
Oh, yeah. The bodies lay on the left side of the road, that is at the edge, and both had visible head injuries.
Left side of the road, which road
As you
facing
face,
where?
as facing, we had a post called Karau Police Post.
From where to where?
From,
Tell us
from-
when
that
you're
is
standing
from-
facing
From now Manyata to Karau. So we got
the
to
road face from Manyata facing
facing Bufori Karau.
Bovori Karau.
Yes.
So where were the two bodies on that road facing Karau?
No, the bodies were not facing Karau.
Yes.
Yeah.
The road.
The road,
The
yeah,
road was
the road,
facing.
yes.
So where were those bodies?
It was on the left, at the edge of the road.
At the edge of
The edge
the
of
road.
the Tamag Road, yeah.
How far were the bodies from each other?
Around 30 meters apart.
And when you saw the bodies, how were they? Describe to us how the bodies were when you saw them.
The bodies had visible injuries on the head, and even the head appeared smashed.
On both bodies?
Both, yeah, on both.
Or on both?
On both.
Yes.
Both,
What else did you see
I only saw blood. It was oozing.
that was
Blood,
oozing?
yeah.
And on the road, what did you see as you're being taken around by the duty officer?
I didn't see anything.
You didn't see
Didn't see
anything.
anything.
And how was the weather condition at that
It
time?
was raining. There were showers.
It was raining. My lady, I wish to refer the witness to exhibit number 1. Those are the bundle of photographs that had been produced. That is a bundle of 10 photographs. I wish to refer you to these photos that were taken at the scene. What can you see from these photographs since you went to the scene?
One is a Tamag Road.
Let us start with the first photo that you're seeing.
That's one.
Yes.
It is a lifeless body of a person.
Of a person. What is that person wearing?
Black, should be black. Truck, become a black truck,
Black truck.
a truck trouser.
And on the upper side of, what is he
Green.
wearing?
Should be a green. It's a green cloth. I don't know whether it is a sweater or.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what else can you see from
I
that
can see
photo?
blood.
You can see blood.
The blood.
From which side of the body?
Head, on the head.
From the head. Let us go to the second photograph.
It's the same. I can see blood.
It is the same
Yeah,
person.
the same person.
Yes, you can see blood.
I can see
On which
blood.
side?
On the head,
On the head.
on the floor.
Let us go to the third one. What can you see?
Okay, blood stains are also visible on the road.
Blood stain. What can you see other than the blood stains on the road?
In the body.
You can see the body.
Yes.
Is it the same person that you have referred? Or is it the same body?
But this is different.
That is a different
It's a
body.
different body.
And what was he wearing?
He was also wearing a black trouser and t-shirt grayish with khaki
Okay.
sweater. Yeah.
Let us go to the next one. That is the
The same
The fifth-
second person.
the same person. With what? What can you see on the road?
Yeah, you can see blood.
You can see blood.
You also can also see the body.
You can still see.
See the body of the second person. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the next.
Yeah, kindly OTPP.
Yes?
Photo 1 and 2 is the same body.
Yes.
Photo 3 and 4 is the same different body.
Photo 3, is it still the same body as the first and
that's the
second?
first and second.
Photo 3 is still the same as the first and second.
Still the same body, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
The fourth one. And what about the fourth one? Is it still the same body as the first
No,
one?
no.
The fifth one?
It is the same as the second body.
It is
The same.
it is the same as the second body on
Yeah.
the fourth photograph. The sixth photo,
The same.
the same. And the seventh photo,
The seventh is, I think, was the marking. Markings by the investigator.
markings
The
of
scenes
what? Where is
Marking
this?
of, this is the road.
That is the road.
The road and where the bodies were found.
So the markings are on which side of the road?
On the left side of the road.
On the left side of the road.
As you face, yeah. Forward.
The next photo,
The same. There's this marking number 2. Also on the left side.
the left side.
Yes.
The last
The
one,
last one is number 1. It's marked as number 1.
yes,
which is
but
in
what
red.
can you see on the photo?
The father. This could be blood stains.
But what is this that you can see on the photo?
It's mark.
It is a
It's a
marking.
Yeah.
Yes, what can you see on the photo?
On the photo, there is that mark, and then we have a straight tarmac road.
A straight tarmac road.
Yeah.
From the photos that I have shown you that was produced as exhibit number 1, was
Yes.
that how the scene was
Yes.
when you arrived?
Yes.
So what happened after you were taken through the scene of crime or the scene?
Both the traffic department, the traffic personnel were called to the scene together with the scenes of crime.
Who called them?
It was the sub-county police commander in charge of the scene, being a senior member.
Sub-county?
Police commander, Emily.
Let's have it on record. The sub-county police commander, Emily, called who and who?
Emily called who?
I know it was the traffic personnel. I cannot mention specifically.
Traffic personnel
Yes. And the scenes of crime.
and scenes of crime. Okay, go on.
Proceed.
So when those officers came, that is the traffic and the scenes of crime came, they took over the scene and processed it.
Did the traffic personnel and the scenes of crime officers arrive while you were still at the
Yeah,
scene?
you were still there.
Proceed.
So when they were through with the scene, they removed the bodies and took it to morgue.
Continue.
So after the traffic and the scenes of crime personnel were done, we also went back to the station.
With who?
With the sub-county police commander, the DCI, me, driver, and the suspects who are here with us.
When you say the suspects who are here with us, who are those?
I'm talking about Corporal Boothia, Consolata, Wanyama, Sang, Cherono, na Amonike. So we all went back to the station.
Since you're already identifying this accused persons who are here with us, who is who? I want you to identify them. Who is who?
By
You've
name?
mentioned, yes, by name.
We have number one, Corporal Boothia, who was the duty officer. And the rest were the members of the patrol team. They were members of the patrol
I want you to
team.
identify them one by one.
One by one, okay.
Yes.
Second is Consolata. The third one is PC Wanyama. The fourth one is PC Sang from the CID. And the fifth is Cherono. And Mwaniki, who was the driver.
Who was the driver of which vehicle?
He was the driver of GK 277 letter T. Land Cruiser.
Was the driver of what vehicle again?
It was a Land Cruiser.
Hmm?
It was a Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser.
Registration?
Do you recall the registration number?
Ilikuwa GK B for boy 277 T.
And you have informed the court that he was the driver of that vehicle, that specific registration number. Where was this vehicle? Where was this vehicle that he was driving?
At that time,
Yes, at that time.
it was serving Manyata police station.
It was serving Manyata police station.
Yes.
And where was it when you visited the scene?
Oh yeah, it was at the scene, but it was parked on the opposite side of the road.
Proceed. Proceed. You said that you went back
Yeah, we went back to the station.
to the station.
Yes. So at the station, the OCS and the DCI wanted at least to understand more about the circumstances which led to the death of the two young men. And because already there were other suspects who were said to have been with them and had been taken to the station. So we had to interview them to get to know what would have happened.
Did you establish when the suspects had been arrested with the two deceased persons at the scene? When they were arrested?
No, it was explained to us by the duty officer, Mbudia now. It was explained to us by him that initially they had arrested some suspects, but when they reached at the station, they realized two of them were missing, and they suspected they would have jumped along the way.
So, who confirmed that they had jumped?
Okay. I happened to interview two of the suspects who had been arrested that night, and they claimed that they were with the two deceased.
Yes.
So they were saying on the way they talked to each other, asking themselves, let us rescue each other and tuchiokoe. So I understand at that time they jumped out of the vehicle, moving vehicle. That is when they were heading to Karao police post.
And what time had Corporal Mbudia taken those suspects to the station? The suspects you interviewed?
Maybe I can confirm.
As you are checking at the OB report,
23:48.
yes. What time did Corporal Mbudia inform you that he booked those suspects?
It was that around 1:45.
That is the time he informed you.
We talked, yeah.
And did you confirm from the OB what time those suspects were booked in custody or in your prison? Or what time were they booked in the cells?
They were booking around 23 something.
You can
I
just
can
read. You
see,
have
I
the
can-
OB.
I can see it clear now. I broke my glasses so I can read properly.
The court assistant can help us to read the time that is indicated.
It is written 23:48 hours.
That is OB number what? That is indicated 23:48 hours. Which OB number?
It is 26
OB number 26.
Number
Of which
26.
day? Of which day?
of 1st of August
Of 1st of August. Which year?
2021.
My lady, I wish to mark the OB extract of the OB extract number 26 of 1st of August 2021 as MFI. As MFI 8, my lady.
What was said that the OB extract shows suspects were booked at?
At 23:48 hours. What does it read? What does it read? What is the information that is there in OB number 26 of that day?
Prisoners in.
Yes. Does it indicate the names of the suspects who were booked?
Yes.
How many suspects were booked?
There should be 8.
There should be 8.
8.
Can we have the name of those suspects read out?
I don't know.
Are you able to read?
I cannot give it to me.
That is okay. So after you were informed that the suspects had been booked, and after interviewing them, what happened next?
I remember their statements were taken down, and I think it was taken over by the DCI at that time.
At that time.
But already investigation with the traffic department were also going on. So what I did was to make a summary of how we visited the scene, and I made an entry in the OB.
The number of the OB that you made an entry after visiting the scene?
So OB5.
Give us the full number of the OB.
OB number 5 of 2nd of August 2021 at 0400 hours.
My lady, I wish to mark OB number 5 of...
Yeah, that is, it was already 2nd, because it was past
OB,
midnight.
OB number 5.
Number 5 of
2nd
2/8/2021.
of 2nd of August 2021 as MFI 9. What was the information that you indicated on OB number 5 of 2nd of August 2021? Just give us a summary.
Oh, it was indicating that having received that information, the traffic personnel and the scenes of crime were called to the scene, where they have examined, they have processed the scene and took over the investigation. With the little information from the duty officer that the 2 suspects were alleged to have jumped from a moving vehicle.
What other role, or what other role did you play that night after you arrived from the scene?
Apart from interviewing, I think I interviewed those two suspects. I did not do anything else.
You did not do anything
I
else.
don't remember doing anything else.
Very well. Terer, I wish to take you back to MFI 8. My lady, that is the OB extract number 26 of 1st of August 2021. Is your name indicated in that OB?
Yeah, I can see it was indicated. I'm surprised.
You are indicated as playing what role? Why was your name indicated?
Yes, having accompanied them.
As having accompanied who? Accompanied who?
The duty officer and the patrolman.
And the patrol.
Yes, which was erroneous because I never accompanied them.
Were you on duty that week?
No, I was on duty the previous day. That was on 31st and 1st. So on 1st and 2nd it was somebody else. That is Kapron with him.
Did you give?
Please tell me what to write.
Okay.
The last thing I've written is that the OB 26/1/8/2021 I am mentioned.
Yes.
That's what he said.
Yes.
From there I don't know what to write.
Yes. You are mentioned as playing what role?
As having gone out with the duty officer and the patrolman.
Yes. I want you to read what it reads, what that OB reads. Just read it as it is.
Prisoner in, stroke action taken.
Yes.
I have a problem with my eyesight, huh?
Okay. You can help us. Yes. Yes, prisoner in.
Is written prisoner in, stop action taken, IPTL, CPA.
Yes.
IPTL, Kuprombutia,
And if you feel like sitting, you can also sit.
read again, prisoner in, action taken, IPTL, CPA Butia, and the parties in reference to OMB number 25/1/08/2021 take action against Emma Nyoroka for the offense of operating bar after the stipulated time, into brackets, Capital Junior Mchangovu.
So you have been indicated as being on duty
Yes.
at that time on OB number 26 of 1st of August
Yes.
2021.
And that was false.
Had you given authority for your name to be indicated
No.
in that OB as
No.
having been on duty?
No.
And from what the OB, from what has been read, they are referring to OB number 25 of 1st of August 2021. 1st of August 20, OB number 25. That is just above
Yes.
or just before OB number 26
Yeah, it was showing on patrol.
on patrol.
Yes.
And who was indicated as being on patrol?
There was me, Kopro Mbutia. You can see Sam. I can't read clearly the rest.
You can't read clearly the rest
Yes.
in OB number 25.
Yes.
So, in the two OB entries, that is number 25 and 26, it has been indicated, or your name has been indicated as one of the officers on duty.
Yes.
Who made the entry?
When I checked, I think it was Kopro Consolata.
Did you give authority?
Because already the duty officer had booked himself on duty.
Okay. Did you give authority to Consolata to
No.
book your name or
No.
to indicate your name as
No, I didn't.
officer on duty?
I did not.
There is also another document before you.
Yes.
Which document is it?
This is a daily work ticket of motor vehicle registration number GKB 277T.
DK.
GKB 277T. Toyota Land Cruiser.
Is the name of the driver indicated?
Yes. Yeah, we had 3 drivers. So
Three
each one
drivers.
is allocated number 1, 2, 3.
Number 1, 2, 3. Who was number 1?
Number 1 was Sergeant Macharia.
Sergeant Masharia.
Yeah.
And number 2?
Number 2 was Corporal Kaluma. Kaluma, yeah.
Corporal Kaluma. Number 3?
Was PC Mwaniki.
Did you give any authority or did you sign
Yes,
that
I did.
work
Yes, I
ticket?
did. Before they proceeded on duty, I signed the work ticket.
For which day?
That was for first
Of which month?
of August 2021. And it was to run up to 2nd of night.
My lady, I wish to mark the work ticket for motor vehicle. For motor vehicle GK number B277T
T.
77T as MFI. As MFI 10. And from this work ticket, you have confirmed that you are the one who appended the signature
Yeah.
for that day.
Yes, I did.
Do we have the original of the work ticket that is available as at now?
I don't think there is. Because what happened
Why do you think there is
later on, that
the
vehicle
original
was
is not
burned
there?
down during anti-riot.
Which vehicle?
This GKP 277T.
And what happened to the original work ticket?
I believe it must have been burned together with the vehicle.
Is it still there or not, the original work ticket?
Because I think this one was removed from the traffic personnel who had picked it initially before it got banned
Picked it for what purpose?
for use to indicate whether it was authorized or not. The vehicle was authorized to be on that journey.
My lady, the reason why I'm asking the witness about the original work ticket is for him to lay basis so that we can produce the photocopy on where the original is.
I'm saying nothing.
Very well, my lady. So I wanted you to confirm to the court whether the original is there or it's not there.
I doubt. So I can't tell whether it's there, but I doubt.
So you can't confirm
I
as
can
at now.
confirm it.
Very well, my lady.